So my question, I have a few questions, but the one that's the strongest, that has been with me for a long time, my engines are very strong, extremely strong. I am very happy and very alive and very everything, but at the same time, I'm very doubtful and very dark.
But let's explain this in the accurate way. You are a strong focuser. That's all you're saying. You're a strong focuser. You're like a dog on a bone, in that once you get hold of it, you're not going to let go of it. And so if it's a thought that your inner being agrees with, then you feel elation. If it's a thought in opposition to that, it doesn't feel good. And so don't be critical of yourself. Use different words. Say, I am a strong focuser, and that's why I have strong positive and strong negative emotions. Also say, if my desire were not so strong, a little opposition in the other way would not feel so uncomfortable. Yeah. And then follow up by acknowledging that you have this understanding and you know what to do. Yes. If you really, really want something, then resistance to it or opposite thought feel really uncomfortable. If you sort of want it, resistance to it feels sort of uncomfortable. Well, as you said, you have strong momentum. So you really can't afford, if you want to feel good, to give too much attention to anything that opposes what you want. Yes?
I know. Yes.